Good morning, students. We'll start our maths class. So already we have finished exercise 7. We have already finished. First, second, third main we have finished. Here, page number 119 it is there, no? Here they have given word problems. They have given 8 word problems. So we'll do two problems we will do. Okay. So this we will do today. We have already finished first main, second main, third main. Today we are going to do word problems. So here you see they have given word problems. You need not write. Already in the class or book I have given. Yes or no? When giving notes, you have written that one. That one only I will explain today. Okay? See here, word problem. Word problems. First one, a hotel ordered 2,787 mango juice. Mango juice cans and 3,285 orange juice cans. How many cans of juice did the hotel ordered? Here they have given a statement. First you read and understand. Already we have written in the class or book. Yes or no? When I am giving notes addition, notes I have given, you have written this one. Today I will explain this one. See here, a hotel ordered 2,787 mango juice cans. You will get small cans, no? That. So, and 3,285 orange juice cans. How many cans of juice did the hotel order? Total, first one, what they have ordered? Mango juice. They have ordered how much? Mango juice. Which juice? Mango juice. How much they have ordered? 2,787. Another one, what they have ordered? Orange juice. They have ordered which one? Orange juice. How many they have ordered? See here, 3,285. To find that one, what you are going to do? You are going to add. See here, how many cans of juice did the hotel order? They are giving order to the another one shop. Total, how much? Mango juice, so much they have ordered. Orange juice, they have ordered so much. So to find that one, what we are going to do? We are writing the statement. So number of mango. First one is which one? Mango juice cans. Juice cans means not big one. Like this you will be having no small cans. You can see no. Oh, this one Coca-Cola, like this. You will get no small cans. That is what cans here. Number of mango juice cans. How much? 2,787. So next one, number of orange juice cans. So how much? 3,285. One below the other you have to write. Then only easily you can add. See here. Next, What you are going to do to find the answer? You are going to add that one. Total number of juice cans. So total number of juice cans. So first one, what they have given, number of mango juice cans is 2787. Next one, number of orange juice cans is 3285. To find that one, total number of juice cans. So what you are going to do, you are going to add this one. How you are going to add? From which place you are going to add? So write the place values: 1, 10, 100, 1000. So from which side you are going to start? You are going to start from ones place. So what is the number they have given? 7 plus 5. You are going to add that one. 7 plus 5 is how much? 7 in your mind, 5 on your finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This 12, how you are going to write this 12? Directly can I write 12 in one's place? No. Why? Means you have 2 digits here. 1 you are going to write here, 2 here. 1 number you are going to write here. The another one number you are going to carry in the next place. So which number you are going to write down there in the ones place? 2. Write down 2 here. This one you are going to carry in tens place. Understood all of you? 1 plus 8, 1 in your mind, 8 on your finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can I write 9 here? No, still numbers are there to add with 9. So 9 in your mind, 8 on your finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This 17, how you are going to write? Can I write directly here? No. 7, I'll write in tens place. This one, I'll carry to the hundreds place. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2, 8 in your mind, 2 on your finger. After 8, 9, 10. So this 10, 0 I'll write here. This one I'll carry to the thousand place. 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. 3 plus 3 is how much? 6. So total number of juice cans is how much? 6072. So answer, write on. Answer 6072 juice cans. So how much they have ordered? They have ordered 6072 juice cans. Understood all of you? Here you have to read that one. You have to understand. Then you have to frame the sentence and you have to see whether it is addition or subtraction. I have told when I am giving addition, when I am doing addition, I have told sum, altogether, total number. These words if you get, you have to add. Understood all of you? So next one, the second problem. The second problem, there are about 2,532 boys and 2,460 girls. How many students How many students are there altogether? So here, first read and understand. There are about 2,532 boys are there and 2,416 girls are there. How many students are there altogether? They are giving what? Altogether, so many boys are there, so much girls are there. So total number of strength you have to find out. To find that one, answer, what you are going to write answer? Number of boys. Number of boys. You have already done this one. In the revision book, we have given this one. Yes or no? So, number of boys are how much? 2,532 are boys. Number of girls. So, how many girls are there? 2,416 are girls. So, what you have to do? See here, how many students are there? Altogether they have asked. So, altogether, sum, total. If you see these words, you have to add that one. Understood? Therefore, total number of students. So, total number of students are how much? You have to find that one. To find that one, you have to add this one. So, from which place you will start? From ones. So, ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So, what is the number they have given here? 2 plus 6. 2 in your mind, 6 on your finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, only one digit it is there. So, straight away I will write in which place? Ones place. If you get 2 digit, then what you have to do? 1 you have to write here. Another one number you have to carry in the tens place. Understood all of you? Next. The third, in tens place you see 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is how much? 4. Write down answer 4. Next in the hundreds place, 5 plus 4. 5 in your mind, 4 on your finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write down 9. Next in the thousands place, what is the number they have given? 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is how much? 2 in your mind, 2 on your finger. After 2, 3, 4. So answer 4. So total number of students are how much? 4,948. So answer 4,948 students. Understood all of you? So only 2 problems I have given in the class book. You can practice at home. Then only you can do easily. Understood all of you? This ends your addition lesson. This ends your addition lesson. Understood all of you? Next. Write on portion for essay 1. For essay 1, you will be having essay 1. So what all the portion you have to learn? You have to learn the worksheets, which I have given worksheet now. Worksheet plus review exercise, first lesson. Lesson number 1. Write down portion in your rough notebook, some book you write down. Review. Exercise. Lesson number 2. Counting numbers up to 9,999. Third lesson, an introduction. Copy down fast. In your rough notebook, you copied on portion for essay 1. Write the heading and write on review exercise. Lesson number 2, counting numbers up to 9,999. Third, an introduction to Roman numerals. Next, fourth one, addition. After writing this one, learn worksheet. You have to learn worksheet, which all month? July, August, and September. These 3 worksheets also, July and August, 1 worksheet, September 1 worksheet I have given now already. You have completed. Learn worksheet, July and August, 1 worksheet, July and August, 1 worksheet. September's 1 worksheet, it is there now. 2 worksheets you have got. FA1 you have learned July and August. Now for SA1 you will be having September worksheet. This 3 months worksheet you have to be perfect. Understood? You have to learn these worksheets. From the worksheet only I will give the question and answers for SA1. So learn July and August worksheet, 1 worksheet, and September's worksheet 1. 2 worksheets you should be thorough with that. Understood all of you? Copy down fast. In the last class, I have given revision also. Yes or no? Revision, that also you should learn for SA1. You have to learn revision also. That only worksheet only I have given as revision. Yes or no? After writing this one, you take out one rough notebook where you have written revision. No, last time you have written revision. That book only you continue there only. We'll practice few problems. Understood all of you? Finish, pause and copy down this one. Shall I clean? We will practice few problems. First main, revision you have written now last time. In that book only you continue. Understood all of you? Write in expanded form. You wrote last tables, I think. Yes or no? Right? Next, you write the heading as write in expanded form. Last time in the last class, I have given revision. There only you copied on this one. Understood? Write in expanded form. First one, 6,542. How you will do this one? So 6,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 2. When you add, you will get the same answer. Yes or no? When you add this one, you should get the same answer. See here, 6,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 2. Add this one, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 5, 5. Bring this 6 down. So you will get the same answer. Understood all of you? Copy down fast. You don't write this one, only this one you do. To make you understand, I have done this one. Don't copy this one, only copy down this one. Next, second one. Second one, 1,267. So how you will write this one? 1,000. We are doing practice. Understood? In the revision book only you have to write. Last class you have written revision till tables we have finished. Yes or no? You should learn tables also. So tables also you should be perfect, and all 2 worksheets also you should be perfect. And this practice we are doing in the revision book only you have to continue. Understood all of you? Don't write in the rough notebook or don't write in the classwork book. You have to write in the revision book only, which you have already kept for revision. So in that book only you start writing. Next, 1,000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 7. Third one, 9,254. So how you will write? 9,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 4. D1, 3,471, 3,000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 1. Copy down fast. Next, second main. Complete the series. Complete the series. First main. Finished all of you first main? Finish it fast. You have to see the series and you have to write. Understood? 10, 20, 30, dash, dash, dash. So, how you will fill? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Shall I clean first main? Next, second one, 21, 22, 23, dash, dash, dash. Third one, 45, 46, 47, dash, dash, dash. Fourth one, 5, 10, 15, 20. So complete this one. You know now how to write. See here, 21, 22, 23. Next, which number you are going to write? 24. Next, 25. Next, 26. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Next, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Next, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Finished? Copy down fast. Third main. Third main. Write in short form. Write in short form. First one, finish it fast. Write in short form. $3,000 plus 800 plus 10 plus 2. So 3,000 plus 800 plus 10 plus 2. So first number you have to write that one. See here, 3,812. Next, second one. Second month. $6,650 plus 0. 6,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 0. So 6,650. C1, 4,000 200 plus 30 plus 2. 4,200 plus 30 plus 2. So how you are going to write? 4,232. Copy down fast. Finished? 2 minutes I'll give time. Finish it fast. Pause and copy down. D1, 9,520 plus 5. 9,525. 9,525. Copy down fast. Finished? Fourth main. Write the numbers, names. Write the number names of the following numbers. First one, 8,320. 8,320. So how you will write? 8 spelling EIGHT. 8,000 spelling THOUSAND. 8,000. 3 THREE. 300 HUNDRED. 100 and 8,320. 20 spelling TWENTY. 20. Second one. Shall I clean this one? Third main. Finished all of you? Copy down fast. Next, 8,999. 8 EIGHT. 8,000 THOUSAND. 1,000. 8,000. 9 NINE. 9. 100 HUNDRED. 100 and 99. 99 spelling NINETY. 99. NINE. 8,999. Next, C1, third one, 4,043. So how you will write this one? 4,043. 4,000 FOUR. 4,000. 1,000 spelling THOUSAND. 4,000 Next, 43. 40 spelling F-O-R-T-Y. 43. T-H-R-E-E-3. 4043. So, we will continue in the next class. Copy down so much. At home, you have to practice. Don't simply, after writing, close the book and keep. Understood, all of you? Every main you have to practice whatever I have given, revision plus worksheets. 2 worksheets also you should be thorough with that. Tables plus Roman numerals also you should practice very well. Any this one question I may give in the Roman numerals or from additions I may give. So at home you have to practice. Understood, all of you? After the class, don't simply play. So you have to practice. Next week, you will be having essay 1. The first paper is only max for you. So at home, you practice. The remaining part we will do in the next class. Thank you, students.